faisais partie de son corps.
Brisk, my sponsor. Ah, I don't have sponsors. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're doing a video editing tutorial thingy. I actually recorded this like 5 months ago, and I never got to editing it or talking like I'm doing right now. The voiceover. So that's what I'm doing right now. 5 months later, and I haven't reviewed the footage, so I don't know what I did. So I'm gonna kind of go and explain it as I'm watching it with you guys, because I don't remember this, but should be cool. It should be fine, I think. I don't know. Just gonna go over this and see what I did. So I brought in the track, and right here I am changing the audio. I am lowering, as you can see over here, I'm lowering the volume, and then right here I am basically doing a fade sort of effect, so when the video starts it's not like abrupt, it's like faded in, and I'm doing that also with the audio. Although here I made a mistake, I should have done it with both audios. I didn't see that, because each one's weird. It's like for each ear. I don't know why I did that, but you know, whatever. Okay, so I'm basically getting the face cam, I'm putting it in the corner, cropping it so it shows up there, and what I'm doing right here, I think what I did there was moving the face cam. I moved it back a little bit to get both the audio sync with the face cam and the video in one cut, so it's all synced together. Okay, I remember this video. This is the video we made with Jack. It was the Minecraft 1v1 shit, and whoever won got a Pornhub premium account. I was like, why am I looking at Pornhub? So that's what that was. And yeah, I just got the picture from online, saved it, and then put it into the. And then I'm looking up the price because of course, I don't know how much the fucking price is for Pornhub, so I just put it there. Here I edited. Of course, I brought in a text effect so I can edit the tags and put it into the screen. And that's what I was doing there. Putting with the pictures up there, so it makes sense. What else is happening? Adding another image makes sense. Probably something funny happened there. I'm just gonna go over one thing quickly right here. First of all, anything that's on the top level, so right here at the top, this is what's going to be shown in the video. Like anything that's on the top has a priority, so that's why I put the pictures on the top and not under this. Here it doesn't really matter because there's nothing below it, so I can put it right there. But yeah, that's why I put it up there. What am I doing? I'm just cropping and cutting. Here I'm gonna say as while this is rolling, one of the most important things about editing is knowing your keyframes. What the fuck? Your shortcuts. Basically, when I cut the video, just for simple editing, I don't want to go over to the cut button and click on it and then go back and cut what I want. So what I do is easily I press Control and B, and wherever this red line is, that's where it will cut the video. And then I can just go back to the parts that I cut, drag it, select it, and delete them. And it's pretty easy. So here I'm just editing this part. I'm adding some soundtrack. That's what I'm doing right here. I think this video got copyrighted. You can't do anything these days. So it wasn't even for this song. It was for some other thing I used at the end. It was like an action song and it got copyrighted. You know, this is simple editing right here. I'm not doing anything that extreme. I'm just cutting, adding some footage in. Here I'm looking for what was I looking for? Round 1 effect fight. Okay. And what I do is basically if I find something on YouTube that I want, I get that video, I download it, and then I plug it in to, yeah, I use that website to download. Well, I used to. Now I use something else, which I can show you guys. But basically I just put in a plugin into YouTube where I can download straight from YouTube. That's what I use now. I just download the video and I put it into the timeline, and then listen to the video. It's not that hard, pretty simple, you know, simple editing. I love that picture. Remember, I found it online just randomly, and it's just like, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping that picture. In this video, like what I'm looking at right now, I recorded when I was editing that video. I speed it up. I don't know how long I speeded it up for, like maybe double the time or more. I just speed up the whole video. That's what's going so fast. It was like 12 minutes. So imagine the unspeeded up version. Like, that's gonna take a while to look after. But here I'm just going over the footage, seeing what's good and what's not, and just cutting stuff that I don't want. Again, just cutting, dragging what I don't want, deleting it, adding a close-up face cam there. It's pretty simple stuff. Yeah, just a face cam there. That's what I'm doing right now. I didn't really do too much hard editing on this video. Still takes a while, but I didn't do any crazy editing. Okay, I did a zoom in here. Basically how you do that is, what I did is I cut it here like you see. I separated the clip into this tiny little box. I go here, I select it, and then I just zoom in a transform setting, and you can zoom in to how much you want. That's basically what I'm doing right here. I'm zooming in and I'm moving it around to just show what I want. Victory Screech, I remember that. Yeah, that's when I want. Downloading the song again, putting the picture over, and then here I just added the ending and I put a song to it. And again, at the very end, I faded it out, so it just ends like in a fade and not abruptly. This is Brisk. It's my sponsor. Get yourself some Brisk. That's not my sponsor. I don't get sponsors. But yeah, that's the whole deal with editing for me. At least as simple as it can get. But yeah, that's basically it. And then I want to show you guys something really quickly that I didn't know back then. By the way, this is kind of crazy. This is the video that you're seeing right now. When I'm done with this face cam, I'm gonna put it up here and edit it. But this is the video that you're seeing right now. Basically, let's say I cut this. I cut here and I cut here. I select this area. Now, if I press backspace on my keyboard, it deletes it and leaves this empty space, right? But what if I just wanna, instead of doing that, I want this video clip to be dragged all the way here? Because if I just do backspace, then I have to manually drag it. And it doesn't seem like a big of a deal right here, but if you're like zoomed out all the way and you have to drag everything, it's a pain in the ass. So what I can do is highlight this and press delete on my keyboard. There's a difference between backspace and delete. There's a key specifically, for me it just says DEL instead of the whole delete word, but I've seen some keyboards that have the whole delete. Press it and it goes all the way back. So that's pretty simple there. That's all I wanted to touch up on. It's not hard. Another command, well, not command, but shortcut that you should know is Control I, and that brings up this so you can import any file that you want into the video. That's very important command. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it that I would say. It's not that hard editing. Here I can just fade it and it does the fading that I was talking about, see? And this is the simplest of editing that I think I can do here. I'm not going to go into green screen or any of that. If you want me to do that, I will. But right now I'm not going to go. I think this video is still going on. It's 13 minutes. It's pretty long. Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much it. After I'm done here, I can color it, change the color of the video, but I don't usually do that. People don't really care that much. And then here, just render it, and it's done. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's not that bad. If you have any questions, just let me know in the description. Again, I am self-taught. I did not go to like any editing class or anything like that. I'm not saying I'm a great editor. I'm like amazing, but I can manage myself and do, you know, these type of videos, which is fine for now. You know, I'm not like a Hollywood editor or some shit like that. So, you know, this is fine. This is pretty cool. But yeah, this is it for this time. Sorry this took so long. I legit recorded this part like 5 months ago and forgot to do the voiceover, so sorry. But I did it. Again, check out my sponsor, Brisk. Not my sponsor. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and see you.